Today I will show you how you can create an animation video, and the best part, you can do it for free. So after watching this video you will be able to create animation video like this. So make sure you watch this video till end and let's get started. So to make the animation video we are going to do two steps. The first step is to generate the script. I know a fantastic tool called Gravity Write which will help us do just that. Gravity Write to let you generate the high quality, unique and content videos purpose to generate a script from Gravity Write. We need to create an account first. Once you have created your account, next you need to generate the script. And for example, let's say you want to create an animation video to promote products or services. So all you have to do is just go to the YouTube option. Just come scroll down and select YouTube option. Once you select the YouTube option, then after that click on YT script creator, and here you can generate your script. For that you need to enter your video title here. So I'm going to enter title and some of points. So I already written, and now that's why I have just written my title and some of the point of my video. And now what should you do after that? Just click on the create content. So now you can see that the script has been successfully generated. So this was all about our first step, that how we can create a script for our YouTube video, or even create a script for our animation video. So let's get started to the step number 2. Now go to second step, which is to convert this complete script into an animation video. To do that we are going to use a tool called Steve.ai. First we need to create an account on. Once you created account on Steve.ai, here you can see we have different option. As we want to convert our script into an animation video, let's choose this option, text to animation. So click on start and it will take you to this page. Now here we need to paste our script which we generated from Gravity Write. So let's go to Gravity Write. And here you can see the script that we made it before. We will copy this intro of first, then come back to the Steve.ai and then paste it here. Now it will directly change to different scenes. So as the same way you can copy your remaining script also. So after that what you will do, just there is an option, what is your video about. So you will write there explainer video, explainer video, and then come back to select next option. And now there you should select one of the theme that you want to create a video on that. So for example I just want to select this one. Now workspace page will be open. In this page you can bring some changes. For example you can change the layout of this your background, and you can change the character. So first of all, if you want to change the layout, just come here and change layout. So here now you can change different layout. So what layout you want to choose it, you can select that one. So for example I just want to select this layout. Once you change your layout, then now you can change the character also. So just click on the character, and now here is the option change character. You can tap on this also to change the character. So now here you will see a lots of character. So it's up to you which character you want to choose it. it's up to you. You can select one of the characters. So I just want to select a character. For example, I just want to select this character. And now if you want to bring the changes on the character action, you can again click on this character, and then you come back to this change action. You can change the action of this character also. Now you can see there's a lots of action if you that you want to select it. So I just want to select this action, standing and talking. Just click on it, and now our action will be changed to our character. So this was all about our layout and how we can change the layout of our animation video, and then we learn also that how we can change the character action. So this was all about the layout and character and change of the action of the character. Now I will show you another option that is by the name of voice over. You can even select voice on your animation video. Even there's another option, record voice over. You can record your voice also, and even you can select add voice also. So click on it, and just first you should select the language, English, accent US, gender female. I just want to change this to male, and then select voice, Matthew, Joy, Justin, Kevin. I just want to select Justin, and then you should also can check out the sound. So that was test. So now click on the generate voice. So once you generate the voice, there's another option also, music. Click on it. You can also have the music on your animation background video. Just you can select here, and even you there's another option, you can down the volume of your music, and even you can select the another music also. Just click on it. So there is different music. So click on it. So now we all done with the changes. So we also created voice on our animation video, and now we also created the music also on our animation video. So what's the next steps? The next step is to come back to this option, publish. Now you want to publish this video. Click on it. So after that, this page will be open. So there is the link that we can download this video. So click on this download. The video will be downloaded. Now our video is completely downloaded. Now you can check it out. Now you can play this video also. So thank you so much for your attention.